Hello guys, we are back with another faceless YouTube channel ideas with high-paying niches. In this video I will show you the best 5 YouTube channel ideas which you can start today without showing your face. So let's begin. Hello guys. Welcome to Cash Cow channel series. Here I will teach you how you can start your own online business with YouTube. Also you will learn how to grow a YouTube channel in few days. You will get lots of channel ideas and high-paying niches. So make sure to subscribe to this channel with notification on to get everyday update. Thank you. So there you go, 5 faceless YouTube channel ideas you can start without showing your face. Let me know in the comments if you do any of these channels, and feel free to drop your channel name in the comments. I would be interested in checking them out. Idea number 1. Finance. The first YouTube channel idea is finance. This can also fall into the education or how to sector. Basically you create videos on how to make money online or how to improve your finances or how to invest. All this requires you to do is share useful and well-researched information. You can literally create the slides in Canvas or PowerPoint, then do a screen recording to show the information, and you don't need to show your face. The good thing about this niche is that it has really high-paying ads, so when you are monetized, you can get some good ad revenue, as well as high-potential affiliate commissions. This is because it's in the finance sector. This is quite a broad topic, so I suggest picking one specific area within finance and then making videos in that area. This could be investing, or this could be e-commerce, or YouTube, or real estate, or how to make money on social media. You can always diversify later on. But this one is another faceless YouTube channel idea. Idea number 2. Crafts. If you're good with your hands, you could create an art and crafts channel. This requires you to film nifty stuff that you can make at home. 5-Minute Crafts is an example of this type of channel. It has over 75 million subscribers. The most popular video is 42 Holy Grail hacks that will save you a fortune. This video alone has over 283 million views. Just like other examples on this list, you don't need to show your face, but you can film your hands. The key here is to create enticing titles so that people click on it, and good thumbnails that make people curious. The combination of these two things and good quality content equals a winning formula. Idea number 3. Meditation. Meditation channels are another popular corner of YouTube that gets millions of views a day. With these types of channels, you don't need to show your face or even use your voice. You can get stock footage from Pixabay or Pixels, and then some copyright-free relaxation music from YouTube Audio Library, and then edit it all together, and then you have a meditation video ready. The Honest Guys is an example of this type of channel. According to Social Blade, they get over 1.9 million views a month. If you're wondering if this type of channel can still be monetized, the answer is still yes. There are plenty of channels being monetized in this area. Of course, you need to make your edits different and provide unique content. Better yet, you can add your own voiceovers and produce guided meditations. In this case, you can record a guided meditation and place this audio over some stock footage. This is probably the best direction to go in for this type of meditation channel. Guys, if you are enjoying this video, then please subscribe our channel, because only 1.3% of people that are watching my video have subscribed, and 98.7% people have not subscribed. So please subscribe, it will motivate me to make such videos for you. Idea number 4. Cooking. Another one you can do from home is a cooking channel. If you have some cooking skills, you could always start a cooking channel without showing your face. Just set up a tripod aimed at your worktop, show your ingredients, and then film yourself cooking it. Your hands might appear on camera, that's unavoidable, but your face doesn't have to be in it. Tasty Recipes is an example of one such channel doing this. It has over 1.1 million subscribers and has some interesting recipes. According to Social Blade, it makes between $1,200 to $19,000 a month. Cooking at home is obviously very popular now. with a lot of restaurants closed, so this could be a popular niche to get into. Idea number 5. Commentary or TV show reviews. This is another easy one that anyone can start. You can literally just review or provide commentary on the latest movies or TV shows on Netflix or other streaming services. This will get lots of views due to the popularity of the TV shows and also from people curious about what to watch. Especially now, during a pandemic, lots of people are at home, so more people are watching TV. You could provide recommendations on what to watch or just give your thoughts on it. One channel that does this is Brain Pilot. They just provide commentary or reviews of TV shows without showing their face. They then edit together clips from these TV shows and put their voiceover on top of it. YouTube doesn't take the video down because this would fall under fair use for commentary, review, and criticism. So you are allowed to produce this type of content and post it on YouTube. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it and make sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next videos.